There is no barrier on the way in. This is the lifts at Red Car Park in Woking. Got some Konica discs. And we're going to go up to 10 first.
Going up. Doors closing.
We're going to 10. It's a big one, this one. Capacity 26 persons, 2,000 kilos. Built in 2020. Go down to G.
Going down.
Got some eco discs here.
Doors closing.
So it's at 3 lifts. Go back up to 9.
Ground floor. Doors open. Ninth floor. Doors open.
This is the other lifts at Red Car Park in Woking. These are more eco discs. Door close button does work like that. Capacity is 26 persons, 2,000 kilos, built in 2021. These are eco discs. These are Konica discs. Go back up to 1. This is the lifts at Green Car Park in Woking. It's another Konica disc. Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos. Year made 2019. The floor numbering is very confusing in this shopping centre. This is an eco disc. This is the lifts at Marks and Spencer in Woking. These are Stanner Kleeman lifts.
Doors closing.
Door close button does work like that. Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos. Built in 2021. It's a Kleeman Stanner lift. It's a bit wobbly. Yeah. A bit wobbly this lift.
Ground floor.
Go back up to 1. It's a bit slow as well.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
It's got Schaefer buttons.
First floor. Doors.
This is the lift at Sports Direct in Woking. Capacity 7 persons, 525 kilos. It's a Stanner lift. It's got an American chime. This is the lift at WH Smith in Woking. It's a Konica disc, capacity 10 persons, 800 kilos, year made 2008. And there's an Evans lift, which is for staff only. Up we go. This is the lift at Victoria Way car park in Woking. It's an old cone. It's been modernised by a cord. Capacity 16 persons, 1150 kilos. It's a bit bumpy, this one. Door closes when I press the button. I like that. We are back at G. This is the glass lifts at Blue Car Park in Woking. Door close button does work like that. Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos. Replaced in 2021. This used to be a Fujitecs. Too bad they replaced it, because the Fujitecs was really good. Oh, we're going all the way as well, non-stop. Here we are at G, well, basement actually. Go back up to 1. Go back up to 1. The floor numbering has changed. Would have been better if these were Fujitecs.
Level 1.
Here we are at 1. This is the other lifts at Blue Car Park in Woking. These are cone monospace. Go down to 0. 26 persons, 2,000 kilos. Built in 2020. This is a newer lift. This one's not very old at all. And we're going all the way as well. Here we are at 0. Go back up to 2.
Second floor. Doors open.
This is the other lifts at Yellow Car Park in Woking. These are Fujitecs. Unfortunately, the left one is not working. These have got 90s Dewhurst. Nice arrow. Go down to BM. Door close button does work like that. Doesn't work, go down to TM then. Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos. It's a rare Fujitecs. Here we are at TM. Go back up to 4.
Yellow car park, level 4.
We are at 4. Very nice. There it goes. And that's it. This is the lifts at Yellow Car Park in Woking. These are express lifts. We're going to go down to G. Unfortunately, the arrows don't work on the outside. Capacity 20 persons, 1500 kilos.
Level 3.
It's an express.
Car park, level 2. Car park, level 1.
It's an express, modernised by
Stopping.
Express. It's an express lift that's been modernised by Express. It's got Thames Valley logic. Only accepts one call at a time. Go back up to 4.
Doors opening.
Got different types of buttons. There's 90s Dewhurst and modern micro. This looks like Kettering panel here.
Car park, level 1. Car park, level 2. Car park, level 3. Car park, level 4. Doors opening. Doors closing. Car park level 3. Car park level 2. Car park level 1. Shopping level. Doors.
It's a WPS system. Then you press proceed after you've done the registration. We do want a receipt. It's £3. Last one didn't go in. Odd. Print the receipt. Oh, shoot. pay station at the bottom here takes cash and card. And there we are.